What else is new?
Oh, your life.
Hey! Happy Tuesday, everyone. It is a beautiful day here in Arizona. No, just a slight breeze blowing right now. Yesterday we had crazy winds going on. Dad and I tried to go fishing yesterday. Didn't work out. We got down to the water and it was like whitecaps out on the water, so we didn't even try. But we went back this morning and got a little film on his boat for Saturday, and you'll see that on, or not Saturday, excuse me. Senior Moments now is on Sundays. Anyway, you guys will see that on Sunday. But I caught another fish, so I have to show it off. This is it. Actually, I took the picture this way. And this is actual size. It was about 11 inches. It's all about the angle. But yeah, drop shot was working for me a little bit, but we were fighting the wind. Even though it wasn't near as bad as it was yesterday, it was still windy out there. By the time we left, it was whitecaps. And man, windy on a paddle kayak is sometimes a struggle. Just trying to find a way to sit still so you can fish comfortably. Anyway, it was but dad's little his little motorized drill prop, he's got that thing pretty much dialed in. You guys will see it on Sunday. Anyway, all right, so let's get to it. We got some people coming in. All right, so our first question. Oh, by the way, thank you guys for tuning in an hour early. We just don't want to get in the way of those two fellas that are going to talk here in a little while.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
I know she's not here, but Dee Ginkle sent me a little gift, and I love it. I will show you guys on Saturday morning, but I got it yesterday, I think, and thank you, Dee.
Yes, we are blessed that people send us gifts.
I know.
Seems like on a regular basis. I just got a whole bag of stuff from Bull and Tabitha of fishing stuff, all kinds of plastics and stuff that I didn't have. Some really cool stuff. I didn't get a chance to use it this morning, but added a whole bunch more stuff to mine and Dad's tackle. So thank you again, Bull and Tabitha, for sending that off to us. It's so cool. Anyway, and we've got, an announcement. Friday. You guys will definitely want to tune in.
There she is. There's Dee. I got my gift today. I'm not going to show it till Saturday morning, but thank you, Dee. I love it.
Thank you, Dee. Anyway, Friday's giveaway. We're going to do 2 giveaways, and they're both going to be really, really cool. One of them is a $50 gift certificate, and we'll tell you more about that.
Oh, that's right. Tessa sent salsa and sauerkraut, too.
That's right.
And I believe the salsa is gone. Is it?
Yeah, the salsa was awesome.
Yeah, I haven't tried the...
Yeah, I haven't tried the sauerkraut yet. I got to have, Frank's with that.
Anyway, I'm sorry.
Anyway, that's right. I forgot about that. That was great salsa, Tessa. Anyway, so yeah, Friday's giveaway on YouTube, on our YouTube Live, is going to be really cool. 2 really, really good gifts.
You tell about the one.
The one is a $50 gift certificate.
That was donated by, we'll say just Sandy. She wanted to remain anonymous. She paid for a $50 gift certificate for our giveaway. And
then the other one is a great group of products from Danny Meadows. More flashlight stuff, really, really cool stuff. Hunter Special, actually. So you guys will see that, and somebody will win that on Friday too. All right, we got to get this done. So
go ahead.
So
you can watch your 2 guys arguing.
Yeah, that's right. Somebody said it's trash talk. Anyway, it'll be good TV, I think. All right, so Tessa, who I know is here, she sent me a picture, and she wanted to know, this is the picture she sent. Would you be worried about this crack? My letters are going to go right through it, and they're going to be inset.
Turn it around.
It does not go through the whole board. I'm guessing it's just a surface crack. So, if you guys have something like this, I've done this many times. So what you want to do is you can do that, but definitely fill it first. You don't want to spray any layout. You don't want to do anything until you fill that crack. So fill that crack if you're going to use wood filler, if you're going to use glue and sawdust, if you're going to use resin and sawdust, if you're going to use Star Bond, whatever you're going to use, definitely get that filled up before you start your sign, and then sand it off and before you start your sign. Because if you try to do any spray layout on a crack like that, it'll get down in there and it'll be black, and there'll be virtually no way to get it out to make it look right. So definitely you can do that. I used to get cracks, actually deeper cracks than this, in boards when I was up in Oatman, because sometimes that redwood and the cedar would open up. I would, when I'd find one, I'd open it up, put glue in it, put a clamp on it, and set it up on the shelf. But I used to do that quite often.
Paul, we are early tonight because of the debate. We
Yeah.
didn't want to interfere if anybody wanted to watch two men yell at each other and fight on stage.
Yes, a rumble. So anyway, if you guys have cracks like that, definitely fill them. You can use them, but definitely fill them first. Resin is a good way to do it. Resin and sawdust, I really like that combination. All right, so next. I cannot believe how many questions I've got in the last 4 days on lighting for the router. I don't know, maybe somehow one of my videos that had lighting just got a lot of views or something. I don't know why, but I have got at least 6 or 8 questions on lighting. I think I still have a couple in my email. So here's the thing. My favorite lighting right now, go watch video 474 if you haven't watched it. My favorite lighting right now is the little fairy lights. I hot glue them in place, which is kind of oaky, but it kind of works for me. And then this is just on with some two-sided tape, so I can take it off if I need to. But this is my favorite lighting apparatus as of right now. I have used that little octopus arm rechargeable light. That worked well, but I like this much better. So if you go watch video 474, and this is what it looks like. This is the listing in Amazon. This is right in our Amazon store, and I'm going to give you our Amazon store if you don't have it. This is the address to our Amazon store.
I guess it said the Halloween board showed the lights really well.
Oh, maybe that's what it was then.
That's our Amazon store.
That's our Amazon store, and that should be in the link of all of our videos, at least all of our videos over the last 6 to 8 months.
Daniel
that should be in there.
Says hi from the UK.
Hey, Dan. Daniel. But anyway, so these fairy lights. This is a box. It's like $10, and there's 6 of them in there. And the batteries actually last quite a while. And I've got 4 or 5 of them in here because I think I bought 2 or 3 boxes. But yeah, these things they last a long time. I really like them. That's my favorite as of right now. So I hope that helps because man, I've got a lot of questions on that lately. And last question. Bruce asked, I bought the DeWalt 611 and I want to modify it like you did. What hole do I use to drill? And that's the modification in the backside. Now this is a different modification. This was done with a hacksaw. That's the reason I wanted to bring this out. So you can do it with a hole saw, a metal cutting hole saw, and I'll show you a picture here in a second. But you can also do it with a hacksaw. If you want to see how it's done with a hacksaw, go see video number 122. That was Dad doing it with a hacksaw. And I think we did one later on a senior moment too. But that was the original one that he did with a hacksaw. Just 3 cuts. One across here, one there, and one there. And it works. It works great. But the hole saw, we put it in the drill press. And this is video number 50, 50. And he shows you how to clamp it down and do the modification with the hole saw and a drill press. But you can do it with a hand. You can do it with a handheld hole saw as well. That's 2-inch, by the way. That's a 2-inch metal cutting hole saw. Pretty standard. You can find them a lot of places, but that's the way we modify that. Yeah. Okay. That's it. That was 3 questions. 3 pretty quick ones, but that was 3 questions. So if you guys have questions about any of this stuff, obviously you know how to get a hold of me. Eric@makeawoodsign.com. See if I can say that faster. And we are on to sign carvers of the day. Shirley Hall Fleeman.
Okay, hold on to me.
Yeah, is that about the right level?
Yeah, you're fine right there. I just gotta. This thing doesn't turn the way it's supposed to.
Oh, we need to oil up the
Yeah.
tripod gimbal there.
Yeah. Okay.
Shirley Hall Fleeman. So this one, very well done, Shirley. I like the artwork. Looks great. Looks like a piece of mahogany, or maybe it's just dark stained. I'm not sure. All right, this is Cameron Keys. Very first sign.
Wow, good job.
Very nice. Nicely done. Looks like a piece of pine. That doesn't look like that easy a sign or a board to carve either. Looks like that might be kind of tough. But great job, Cameron. Matt Marlin. I was actually talking with Matt today on through Facebook. Which, by the way, guys, if you want to send me pictures, if you want to email or get a hold of me, the fastest way to do it is through my email. Through Facebook, you know, it may be days or weeks before I even see it. So the fastest way is really eric@makeawoodsign.com. But anyway, I was talking with Matt today through Facebook, and this is a piece of oak, and he did a great job. This is an anniversary gift.
Very cool.
Very, very nice. Otis McNeely. This is a stove cover. And I've seen quite a few people doing stove covers, covering the burners so they can set stuff up there. It's an actual custom. I saw a video the other day that a guy specializes in making these stove covers. Had little handles on it and the whole deal. But this evidently is kind of a thing. But anyway, Otis, great job, man. I like it. That way you can set stuff up there when you're not cooking. Definitely don't want to turn the gas on when...
Matt Marlin said thanks for showing my sign.
You're absolutely welcome, Matt. Thank you for sharing, buddy.
I love that one.
Yeah, this one's really cool. Jeff Pearson, second sign. This is a 2-foot by 2-foot pine. And the posts were treated 4x4s, carved rustic with angle grinder. And so you can watch on number 389, there was a Pete Raup had a sign on Sign Carvers of the Day where he did this, and I think that might be where Jeff got the idea. But he just took regular...
Sign Carvers of the Day?
On Sign Carvers of the Day, Pete Raup, he had a Sign Carver of the Day where he did this post thing, which I think is really a neat idea. Taking regular posts and then just making them look rustic.
Them up,
Yeah, just with an angle grinder and stuff. Kind of like a faux edge kind of thing, like what you've done before. But anyway, great job, Jeff. Just love it. For your second sign, amazing. And this is Dean Taylor, one of his very first signs. So he decided to go kind of opposite. The whole board black, and I don't know if he masked it off. I didn't talk to him about his process. But then the carving is what shows up. So nice job, Dean. Very nice. Really cool. Leo Deal. Oops, sorry. This is 16 by 36, and it's a pine panel board. Kind of like that panel board that I've used on stuff. Really, really nice. Man, that's and it's 16 by 36. Pretty good size. Great job, Leo. Nice work, buddy. Jeff Cheatham.
Wow.
Look at that. I think that is just so cool. This is for his wood shed where he carves his signs. So this is a sign on his own shed. Well done, man. I like it. Nice artwork. Terrific job, guys. Pam Berry. Haven't talked to Pam for a day or two. Is Pam there? Medium-sized flag. The blue is 12 by 20 and 6-inch dog bone. So I guess the blue is this one here. The blue sign is 12 by 20. Nicely done, Pam. Beautiful work. Love it. And last, Scott Oldroyd. He is over in the UK. Nice lines. Wow.
That's cool. I like that.
Yeah, that is really, really cool. What does the bottom line say? It says...
It says Beauty Therapy by Ellie.
Yeah, so it's a business. Looks like it's a commercial sign. But that's a lot of straight lines to keep straight. Man, that, you know, something simple like that sometimes is the most difficult, because you sneeze at the wrong time and it's over. Anyway, great job. Great group of sign carvers of the day, you guys. Congratulations, everybody. Hope you guys are all doing well. Let's see. Anything I need to respond to or answer or anything like
Frank,
that?
up above, Frank said that he did a video on another vacuum system you might want to look at.
Oh, I'll check it out, Frank. Thank you. Yeah, it's been kind of hectic around here. I haven't been watching much videos or anything lately. It's been kind of crazy. Here come the flies.
Yeah, they're
flies are buzzing. Okay, that is it, you guys. I'll let you move on with your evening. We'll be back on Thursday. Keep sending me sign carvers of the day, Eric at makeawoodsign.com. Keep those questions coming. I love new questions, especially from new people, but old people too. So keep those questions coming. It keeps me going, and good content, so we can help everybody here. So thanks again, guys. What is tomorrow? Tomorrow's video. There'll be a video tomorrow. I can't remember what it is right now. It might be one on Vicky's table. Yeah, it might be. But anyway, then we'll have videos every day. So we'll see you back here live Thursday night. Have a great one, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.